Choosing the right video surveillance hardware. When it comes to implementing a video surveillance system, choosing the right hardware is crucial. The hardware you select will determine the quality and effectiveness of your surveillance system. In this course, we discuss the important factors to consider when choosing video surveillance hardware. Some of the main characteristics of camera operations that affect hardware selection include: resolution. The resolution of the camera determines the quality of the recorded image. Higher resolution cameras produce clearer images and are therefore recommended for areas requiring detailed monitoring. Lighting conditions. Determine the lighting conditions in the area where the cameras will be installed. Some cameras are equipped with IR, infrared capabilities for nighttime surveillance or low light conditions. Mounting. Choose cameras based on their mounting options. Wall-mounted, ceiling-mounted, or discrete options may be required depending on the specific installation requirements. Field of view. Consider the area you need to monitor and choose cameras with a suitable field of view. Wide-angle lenses are ideal for monitoring large areas, while narrow-angle lenses are more suitable for focusing on specific areas. Popular recording devices include digital video recorder, DVR. DVRs are commonly used for video surveillance systems. Consider the number of channels required, storage capacity, and additional features like remote access and motion detection when selecting a DVR. Network video recorder, NVR. NVRs are suitable for IP cameras and offer more advanced features compared to DVRs. Consider the number of channels, storage capacity, network bandwidth, and compatibility with IP cameras when selecting an NVR. Video surveillance data storage is based on hard drive. A reliable hard drive is essential for storing recorded video footage. Consider the capacity of the hard drive to ensure it can store a sufficient amount of footage for your specific needs. Redundancy. Implementing redundancy in storage is important to avoid data loss. Consider implementing RAID, redundant array of independent disks, or using multiple hard drives for backup purposes. The network equipment for physical security includes Ethernet cables. Use high-quality Ethernet cables to connect the cameras and other network devices. Consider the length and type, Cat5e, Cat6, etc., of the cables based on your specific requirements. Switch. A switch is necessary to connect multiple IP cameras to your surveillance system. Consider the number of ports required and ensure that the switch has sufficient bandwidth to handle the data traffic. The power supply of physical security includes uninterruptible power supply, UPS. To ensure continuous operation of your surveillance system, consider adding a UPS to provide backup power in case of electricity outages. Power over Ethernet, PoE. Consider using PoE switches and cameras, which allow for both network connectivity and power supply over a single Ethernet cable. This simplifies installation and reduces the need for additional power outlets. Other factors to consider are 1. Scalability. Consider the scalability of the video surveillance hardware to accommodate future expansion. Ensure that the system can support additional cameras, storage, and network devices as needed. 2. Budget. Consider your budget when choosing video surveillance hardware. Balance the cost with the features and requirements of your surveillance system. By considering the factors mentioned above, you can make an informed decision when selecting video surveillance hardware. Remember to assess your specific needs and requirements before making any purchases, ensuring that the hardware you choose is the right fit for your surveillance system.